Todd here with Jeep Speed Shop. Here we have my 2014 Jeep JKUR Unlimited Rubicon that we took the nag one out of, and now we put an 8-speed out of a Dodge Ram truck with a 3.6 liter. We also put the steel pan from a JT or Gladiator. So, but with all that, the exhaust runs super close. So you might want to drop the exhaust down. We wrapped it for now. We're doing testing. So in the future, you might want to do a drop down here, and then maybe over here, cut it and drop it down just so you can get it, you know, maybe an inch of clearance between there. But we're running a steel pan. I wrapped it just to drive it and just to do some testing. And we're running our tranny cooler lines from the Grand Cherokee for the V8. We're working on this particular setup also. We did some modification here, cut them, ran a different hose up to the cooler just for room. So we also had to do a bracket change for the transfer case cable, same one we do in our Hemis. We also, here's a little sight of the tranny mount. There's the Dodge Ram truck transmission mount. Reused the rubber mount to the nag one. Used our plate A to relocate the mount. And I got rid of my Rubicon case because I think a Rubicon case with an 8-speed is not a good deal. I think the non-Ruby case is a better way to go. Personally, I think too much gear just doesn't work as well. So here's just kind of a rundown of an 8-speed in place of the nag one. So drive shafts, they all go back, even though this transmission's longer, but this drive shaft has a lot of movement. So the drive shafts still work. Non-Rubicon case. Here's all of the mount setup that we use. I think it's a little close, but plenty of room really. So, train cooler lines. This is the way we ran them. You can do it any which way, but I think cutting them just so we have a little bit more room is a better deal. So, all right, now I'm gonna do a test drive. 8-speed and a JK. Here we go as a test. Jeep Speed Shop out.